Hello, my name is Doug, and this is a new video in the Lambeau Field series. This renovation was very important for the team financially. It made the stadium a year-round tourist destination before it was just used 10 days a year. This renovation cost $295 million. The team stock still raised $20 million. And there was a Brown County sales tax added of 0.5% that paid for the rest, which expired in 2015. They added 1,080 indoor seats and 3,000 outdoor seats. With the 2003 renovation, there's 281 concession stands, 556 women restrooms, and 708 men's restrooms, and the new capacity was 72,515. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.